In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this light effect. It's quite simple. I actually thought it's going to be hard, or, I thought it's like complicated, but it's not. It's actually quite simple. So make sure you watch this until the end, and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll really appreciate that. So now what you have to do, I will actually recreate this. So I'll grab this video. And now here I'll go to text and write here money. Then I'll just stretch this to the end of this video. That's fine. And now the next step, if you don't have this window, we need this effects window. If you don't have this, make sure you go to window and click on this tab, click on this effect, so you have this panel, effects panel, and then here in the search bar write lighting. Okay, now grab this video effect and drag it onto the video, not the video but the text, sorry. And now here in effects control, if you select the text, this is what you should see, and you should have this light effects, right? Here, what we have to do is first, and if you don't have effects control, go to window and click on effects control. Is first we have to change a couple of things here. Well, first we have to go here and select this one. We need this rectangle, and now we're gonna have to change, first of all, to move this. So we want this to move it around here in this position, and then click on invert first. Second, decrease the opacity. So you can decrease the opacity, and the feather, you can add just a little bit of feather, but before doing that, we also have to, here in exposure, we have to decrease the exposure, and surface glass, that's fine here, but ambience intensity, we can play with that as well. And we have to also go here in opacity and play with that as well, and the feather. But now we're gonna have to rotate this, and I'll move it like this, and add here this draw baser, so I can add a dot here. I think that's what it's called, and move it like this. So we have this effect, which looks fine, but could be better. Now increase the feather. Now we'll position this right over here, and at the end of this video, we're gonna add a keyframe for mask pad. All right, and by the way, if you actually, let's remove this keyframe and click on the mask. So if you still see this, if you still see like there's still some light here, as I said, in mask, not in this one, in ambience intensity, here we can decrease this more, and exposure also we can decrease the exposure to 100, and then just increase the intensity, increase it, and then here and here. Now we can play with this one, opacity, sorry, yeah, that was this one. So we don't have here any light, all right, if that's what you want. And now we can add here a keyframe, and then after a few we select the mask and we just move it right at the end. Now we have here another keyframe, so we have two keyframes now. And if it's too slow for you, we can drag this closer, and if you want more light, you can still play with the settings. So don't worry, as you can see, you can still play with all the settings. So that's not a problem. Okay, so now we can highlight this. And if you want to delete some of the keyframes, you can do it as well. But that's what you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.